We're Adam and Joanne from InspiredTaste.net, and welcome to our kitchen.
Say goodbye to dry and flavorless pork chops. With a few simple tricks, you can make juicy and tender pork chops with very little fuss. First step is to take the pork chops out of the fridge and season with salt, then set them aside to rest for 30 minutes. This extra salting time improves the flavor and texture of the meat. While they rest, make a spice rub. We use a combination of flour, which helps create a nice crust, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, smoked paprika, and black pepper. If you cannot eat flour, you can leave it out. You can use your favorite spices instead, or follow the recipe on Inspired Taste. Alright, grab the chops and pat them dry so that they brown, and then rub them on both sides with the spice rub.
Now it's time to cook. Heat some oil in a wide skillet with a lid over medium-high heat. When it's hot, add the pork chops. Let them sear without moving them until brown. Flip the pork so that the seared side is facing up. If there is a fattier side of the pork, use kitchen tongs to hold the chops, fat side down, until it sizzles and browns slightly, about 30 seconds. Then place the chops back so that the seared side is facing up. Reduce the heat to low and cover with a lid. Cook this way until the pork is cooked through. We check at the 5-minute mark and go from there.
When they are done, transfer the chops to a plate, then make a quick pan sauce. You won't believe how simple it is. Increase the heat to medium-high, then add chicken stock, apple cider vinegar, and a little bit of honey. Remember, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. Use a wooden spoon to scrape any bits stuck to the bottom of the pan. There's lots of flavor there. When the sauce is reduced by about half, turn off the heat, then swirl in a little bit of butter to make the sauce silky. You can serve the chops whole or do what we do and slice them. See how tender they are? Once they are sliced, we place them into the sauce and serve family style. And that's it. Extra juicy, ultra flavorful pork chops. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.